Hey everyone, and welcome to day 18 of my March Madness series. In this series, I am posting some kind of Pokemon opening every day for March 2016. And for day 18, I have this Flashfire Lightning type blister pack. In this blister pack, we have 20 Lightning type Pokemon cards, including a Raichu Holo and a Luxray Holo, as well as a Flashfire booster pack. Now, I don't like opening just one booster pack in any video, so I also have two breakthrough booster packs to open along with this as well. So I'm going to get everything open. I have to use the scissors for this. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing open now. There's our Flashfire booster pack. Two special packs of Lightning type Pokemon. We have one breakthrough pack. And our second breakthrough pack. So we have two breakthroughs, one Flashfire. Take a look at these first. So in this first Lightning type stack, I guess you would call it, we have a Holo Luxray, Manectric, Luxio, Zebstrika, Blitzel, Shinx, Minun, Electabuzz, Joltik, and Emolga. In this second pack, we have the Holo Raichu, Magnezone, oh that's a rare, Lantern, Jolteon, Pikachu, Chinchou, Plusle, Tynamo, Magnemite, and Electrike. So those very basic Pokemon. The Holos are always nice. So I'm going to open the two breakthroughs first. I like saving the Flashfire for last in hopes of getting a Charizard out of it. I've never opened a rare Charizard before. I have gotten uncommon Charizards and Radiant collection sets. There's that code card. I do give these codes away every day on my Twitter account. If you haven't followed me already, the link is on the homepage of my YouTube channel. So to start this video off, we have Dedenne, Glalie Spirit Link, Skyla, Sandshrew, Flabebe, Fennekin, Starly, these cards are sticking, Swinub, Reverse Holo is going to be a rare, so that's always good, Aromatisse, my Holo, regular rare, Vanillux. Alright, second breakthrough pack. I did pull a secret rare out of one of these not too long ago. I believe it was day 8 of March Madness. Alright, so we have a Judge, Frogadier, Wobbuffet, Vanillite, Flabebe, Zorua, Fennekin, Doduo, Reverse Holo is just going to be an uncommon, Staravia, and my rare in the pack, oh here we go, it's going to be a full art, Mega Mewtwo EX, look at that. I love pulling these EX cards. What a great pull. Second pack of today's video and we get an EX. Can we follow it up with a Charizard EX? Hope so. Alright, so we have Sliggoo, Fiery Torch, Avalugg, Feebas, Geodude, Flabebe, Stunky, Roselia. Reverse holo is going to be Goomy. Oh, nice. And a holo rare Dredagon. Very good. So, I was able to pull a Mega Mewtwo EX from the second breakthrough pack in today's opening. If you haven't already, guys, please click that subscribe button below. Show me some love. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of my March opening series. My Twitter account is linked to the homepage of my YouTube channel if you want some free codes, but I put them up every day. Thank you for watching, guys, and as always, tune in.